Okay guys, this is a ceiling fan in my kitchen. It's an SMC hugger. Sorry for the cut. I just need to turn on the switch that turns this thing on. But here we go. We're gonna start off on low. Takes a while to start up. I like the nice cane blades that it has. Originally, those were on the side that points up, but I decided to flip them down. I'll let this go for about 10 more seconds, maybe. It's 52 inches. Snow out there. Alright. Well, it also buzzes on the higher speeds. So I'm going to start, and then medium. I'll get down lower. You can hear it buzzing or humming, whatever. You might be able to hear it. Don't know if you can. There used to be a light fixture right there, but it hung too low, so my mom took it down. Now here we go, high speed. It's making the cereal box move. So there it is on high. I'll get on the lower perspective for you. Alright, I'll go for about a few more seconds. And off. Alright, well that's it for this ceiling fan video. I'm gonna make a playlist for these so you can go see them whenever you want. But yeah, Reese's plates. Stop. But yeah, that's it for this video. See ya.